go to sleep or take a nap, and he's just, I want to sleep.
Moonwalk?
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
Augie, do you want to make some bacon pancakes? Oh, you want to make whisper pancakes? Okay. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes, bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do it. Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey, get out of here! Stop! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to? Why do you want to fight tonight?